Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to completely remove email from Roblox account. So if you want to remove your email address from your Roblox account, what you have to do is first of all open up your Roblox account. After opening your Roblox account, tap on the three dotted icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings. Now you have to tap on account info which is on the top, and after tapping on account info you can find the fourth option, email address. So you can't just remove your email address from Roblox account. So to remove your email address, what you have to do is you have to add another email address, and by adding another email address, the current email address which you have in your Roblox account will be removed. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to tap on the pencil shaped icon which is beside the email address, and now you have to enter the second email address which you want to change with this email address in this account. And after entering that email address, just tap on change email, and now you will receive a 6-digit code on that email address which you have just entered. So here you can see I have received my 6-digit code. You just have to copy this and then paste it in your Roblox, and after pasting that code, here you can see an email has been verified, set for verification. Just tap on OK. Now Roblox will send you another email in the email which you have just entered. So you can see I have received that other email. So now what you have to do is you have to verify that email address which you have just entered. Just tap on verify email, and after tapping on verify email, here you can see your email has been verified, enjoy free hat. So after verifying your email, you will receive a free hat on your Roblox account. So now if you'll come back to the Roblox account and just refresh this page, you can see you have successfully removed your email address from Roblox account, but you have added another email instead of that email address in this account. So that's it. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.